So Govee Home app, so how to install it and how to use. So as you can see, it's quite a large app by build. I think it's Chinese built app. And this is like Internet of Things app. It's an app to help you manage your smart devices. Check the status of your devices in real time, connect new devices in seconds, enjoy the artistry and magic of lightning effects, get a first look at new tech and share your ideas, fast and efficient customer service. Govee Home has been integrated with HealthKit, which can synchronize body fat scale data to Apple Health, where BMI, weight, and fat percentage can be found in Apple Health's body measurements, giving you a clear and comprehensive picture of your health. So yeah, then you can just open it up. You have Bluetooth. You can enable notifications, and yeah, kind of pretty cool if you have some these smart devices in your house. You can really manage them within this app. You can unleash your creativity. Yeah, build a smart life with co-creation. To accept, and then yeah, you need just to tap plus and add all of these lightning lights, home improvement, home appliances, a bedroom, in living room, all of the things. You can just add those. So yeah, something like that. And then yeah, so then you can just create an account. I haven't used this app to be honest, but yeah, just bringing your attention to this.